Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Tarot Warrior. My name is Aparna and I'm here today to do a current feelings reading for the sign of Capricorn. This is going to be a general reading, may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Only take what resonates and leave the rest. And if none of the messages resonate, you can always check videos of your other sign placements, Moon or Venus sign for additional information. So let's get into your reading, Capricorn, and let's look at your person's current energy. What is your person's current energy? Your person's current energy is the Lovers. Soulmate connection here. This person sees you as a soulmate. Gemini energy. Lovers is also about a choice. So it's also possible that this person has a choice to make. Yeah, Four of Swords is here. So this person is, and you may be a bit separated at this time. I feel this person has a choice to make and they are trying to figure things out. What is your energy? Your overall energy is the Wheel. You're waiting for the right time. You're hoping that this situation will change. You're hoping for some positive turn of events because you deeply care about this person. You have romantic feelings for them. You're waiting to message them, but you know you're waiting for the right time as well. Why is there a separation here? Page of Cups is here. This could be an energy of a new beginning. Maybe you both are new to this. This is a new relationship. You're just getting to know each other. So, you know, this person has a choice to make maybe. So why is the Page of Cups here? Yeah, this person is has multiple options as well. So they are very confused, like they are trying to figure things out. And maybe that's why there is a bit of a, you know, like they're taking some time to kind of figure if they really want to be with you or not, how they feel about you. So what is your feelings for this person? The Emperor. You're very sure about your feelings. Emperor is Aries energy, but I see that you kind of know what you want, but you're waiting. Hermit is Virgo energy. You know that this person needs time to figure things out. They are not in a, you know, in the same energy where you are. So you're giving them that time. Okay, you're kind of in that hermit mode, being very patient. So tell me, how is this going to move forward? Two of Swords, I see some confusion here because there is this energy of not being sure, not knowing which is the right way. So Five of Swords, somebody here is very stressed because they have a decision to make. So let me see, what is the biggest blockage here? What is blocking this relationship? Five of Cups, there's this energy of something, you know, somebody feeling like this is not going to work out. Somebody kind of feeling like this is a missed opportunity. Maybe this is not for me. Maybe this person doesn't care. So there's a lot of negative thinking, negative talk. Yeah, I see a new beginning actually here. But somebody needs to come out of that very negative mind space because that's not true, okay? This is not a missed opportunity. There's a lot of celebration here. There's a beautiful relationship I see here, but somebody needs to take action. So what is the advice? The advice here is to, yeah, be more confident, kind of take charge, you know, take action because that's needed here. There's a lot of happiness coming towards you. Leo energy. The situation is not as bad as either you think or they think. So there needs to be a forward movement. There's somebody here needs to really take action because the main problem here is that one of you thinks that the other person is not interested and this is not going to work out. It could also be you thinking, feeling that way. But let's see, what action will this person take in the future? See, they're still a bit scared, very guarded, okay, not opening up. They are expecting the worst actually, even though they have no reasons to believe that, or maybe they do have reasons. They've been through difficult times in the past. There needs to be some kind of faith here in the universe, because this is something they are praying for. This is something they want, but they are not taking action. So what is the outcome? Lot of stress, lot of yeah, a lot of overthinking from someone's side, either your side or theirs. I see a lot of anxiety, but I feel that eventually somebody is gonna um, build up on that courage and take action. But it is going to take a while because there's a lot of overthinking, lot of stress. Somebody is, in this Four of Pentacles energy, holding back. But they are going to show some courage here, and there's going to be a shocking change of events. And it's going to be shocking for you if you are the one who's not expecting this person would open up. I think suddenly they are going to do that, and there's a lot of happiness and abundance and stability coming your way. Capricorn, things are going to move in your direction, but I feel it just needs this person to kind of, there's a shake up needed for things to kind of move forward. They are in that very hesitant and they are very scared of the outcome. So that is what is preventing them from taking action. But I see this happening eventually. Okay, so Capricorn, this is what I have for you. I hope this helps and resonates. If it does, please do give me a like, share, do subscribe. If you wish to book a private reading, I am available on my email or my website. You can mail me and book a reading, or you can go on my website. If you have PayPal, you can directly book on my website as well. Also, you can chat with me before you book so that you get all the details. Also, do like, share, and subscribe, and do comment and let me know how this resonates with you. I'll be back with another reading. Till then, take care. All the best.